Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS is James. How are you today? In this raw video, yes, we will say raw video because this one actually will show everything very raw on the process of doing the job. But you already see it very quickly here. Our program cannot be read. Please consult with dealer. And this is our new system, premium head unit. And okay, this is all sort of wiring thing that we want to demonstrate, and we want to show a very raw video that including the music inside this system running. So very quickly, this one is the Lexus IS350 2012, and it was on the faulty system like this because the battery in the car was gone, and then by some reason it affected the new system. Of course, that's very common in the Lexus. And what we do is we create and bring in a plug and play system to retain or 16 speaker woofer and twister in this car. 16 of them. If you haven't counted your Lexus IS350 speaker in the car, now you would know that your car has 16 of them in total. Oh, that's a lot of speakers. It's standing for everywhere. You have one in the front dash, you have 3 on the left front door, you have 3 on the left right front door, you have 3 on the rear left and 3 on the rear right doors, you have 2 more on left and right on the back dash, and you have the woofer on the back dash. So basically that's a lot of speaker and tweeter and woofer. So what we do is we bring in a completely plug and play system, as mentioned again. And now I want to show it is raw because we want to really show the music in this car now is absolutely awesome. See that okay, on that one we actually are running only the 17, and I would say maximum that we could play loud music in this car now is only up to half of the capacity, 20. Okay, otherwise you will feel deaf inside the car, not only because this is louder but because it is nicer. We can definitely say that the speaker and the performance of them are much nicer than the factory one because the factory amplifier already been removed, and there's a twin new D-class or the high performance amplifiers. They can be select either from Pioneer or Kenwood amplifiers to make sure it will run beautifully. Everything plug and play into the car and remaining the sound system at the awesome level. So once again, listen. So you can see that I'm listening the video from YouTube, which is just good music, but it's still not the full high definition music, and you can feel how good it is. Crystal clear, sharper, nicer, higher performance. That's what it is now for the factory sound system, combined with our new plug and play 10-inch wireless CarPlay, Android Auto premium setup, and even more. If in case you want to get higher, you can go for signature. But at least at the premium is already like this, and it has twin new high performance amplifier hidden into the same factory location as the factory amplifier. No one will know that this car was changed to the new amplifier. No one will ever know until they hear the new sound system. every single speaker tweeter. So hopefully you like this video, a very raw video from MPX Auto, which is really rarely we show up like this. So yes, if you have exactly the same car model IS250, IS350, and you have the same issue like this, you now can be relaxed because we can provide you a plug and play system that retain the sound system at the higher level than what it was before the faulty happened. And we also will add in the 10-inch premium setup like this, and you know that it will be like in this frame soon after. Okay, so here we go. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.